Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Govee Floor Lamp Pro to your phone. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a Govee Floor Lamp Pro and you want to go ahead and connect it to your phone. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the first thing that you're going to do is that you want to go ahead and make sure that you have the Govee Home App installed and create an account. So you can simply go into the App Store or the Google Play Store, search for the Govee Home App, and it should look like this icon right over here. Now, I am on an iPhone device, so the next thing that you want to do is swipe down, and you just want to make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on and also that your Wi-Fi is turned on. And you do have to make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Now let's hop into our Govee Home app. And then the next thing that you're going to do is that you want to make sure that you plug in your Govee Floor Lamp Pro and make sure that it's turned on. When you first plug it in, it should cycle between different rainbow colors. So now that it's turned on and plugged in, click on the plus icon on the upper right hand corner, and you should be able to find your Floor Lamp Pro here. It's automatically going to scan for nearby devices. Click on add, and then it's going to start connecting. And after a couple of seconds, it's going to ask you to name your device. So we can name it Floor Lamp Pro. Click on done. Now, if you've connected to the Wi-Fi, your Wi-Fi is automatically going to be set here in input. Click on done again, and then it's going to give it a couple of seconds to connect to the Wi-Fi. And after a couple of seconds, as it's connecting to the Wi-Fi, it should connect. So I apologize. You do have to be on a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So let's actually switch our Wi-Fi to our 2.4 gigahertz network. And then same thing, there you go. So now it's at a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So go ahead and connect. And this time around, it should go ahead and work. And there you have it. The Wi-Fi connection has now been successful. So there you have it. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Govee Floor Lamp Pro to your phone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.